Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the function 5x over x squared minus 1. For the vertical asymptote, to find the vertical asymptotes, we want to simplify the function, this fraction. Simplify means factor the top, factor the bottom, and cross out any common factors. Okay, just for vertical asymptotes. So 5x, so the given function h is 5x, that's already factored, 5 times x. On the bottom, x squared minus 1. How does this factor? X squared minus 1, 1 is 1 squared, same as 1 squared. This is a difference of two squares. So this is x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so x squared minus 1 factors is x plus 1 times quantity x minus 1. And there are no common factors because x plus 1 is a block, x minus 1 is also a block. Okay, and to find the vertical asymptotes, we simplify. This is already simplified, and we find the x values that make the bottom 0. Okay, so VA vertical asymptotes, x equals those values that make the bottom 0. So plus 1, x equals negative 1 makes this 0, and 1 makes this 0. So x equals negative 1 and x equals 1 are vertical asymptotes. There are two vertical asymptotes. Let's go for a horizontal asymptote. So HA, so this will be y equals, so this is a polynomial, this is a rational function, a polynomial divided by another polynomial. Now we look at the degrees of the top and bottom. So the degree on the top, 5x means 5x raised to 1, degree 1, x squared degree 2. So the degree on the bottom is more, that means the bottom heavier. When the degree on the bottom is more, then y equals 0 is the horizontal asymptote. Okay, when the degrees are equal, we take the ratio of leading coefficients. But in this case, if the degree on the bottom is bigger, y equals 0. If the degree on the top is bigger, no horizontal asymptote. So in this case, y equals 0. Same thing here, vertical asymptotes VA, we simplify, we write this in its lowest, in their lowest terms. That means factor the top, factor the bottom, cross out common factors. These are already factored. We cannot go any further because degree 1, so cannot factor anymore. So for vertical asymptotes, we find the x values that make the bottom 0. The bottom is 3x minus 2 is 0 when move 2 over, add 2 both sides, divide by 3. So 2/3 makes the bottom 0. So x equals 2/3 is the vertical asymptote. Now horizontal asymptote HA, this should be y equals something. Look at the degrees of the top and bottom. 4x 1, nothing means 1 degree. This is 1. Degrees are same. So the ratio of the coefficients 4/3. The ratio of the leading coefficients, that's the horizontal asymptote. Final.